Okay, well, I found the miss. This plug wire here goes to the second cylinder right here. Was laying against the exhaust pipe, the exhaust manifold, and you can see there or not, had a pretty good little burn place in it. Looks like that's the core exposed right there. So I'm going to see if I can reroute it and wrap some tape around it and see if I can get it to work. If it's not burned up all the way, hopefully they'll get the miss out of it. So, alright. Well, she's running good now. As good as she's gonna run. It needed that. But the only thing I noticed is that I don't think I got any heat. And it looks like either the water valve is bad up there or something along those lines. It's not getting vacuum to it. I'll have to diagnose that because it's hot on one side of the valve and cool on the other. And it doesn't have a thermostat in it, because I can tell, because the radiator hose into the radiator starts getting warm too quick. So, it's getting vacuum. I can hear it. Hear it? See how it starts there. Come on, piece of shit. That carburetor that's one of those computer controlled versions, and nothing major bad about them, but you can't adjust the mixture on without taking them apart and sawing part of them off. So it probably needs a little bit of rebuilding, but that'll be down the line. See you guys later.